how to use drip systems for your potted plants and bonsai, pre-bonsai. I just tapped into my 1/2-inch poly tubing from my existing irrigation system. Ran a 1/4-inch tubing, and I tee off, the most amount that I tee off is like 4, and then ran an emitter to each plant. There's the emitter right there. This is a 1/2 gallon per hour emitter. And on some of them I used a 1 gallon emitter depending on the size. So you can kind of see I just did my own little thing. I used that tape just to hold it like they're out by the trunk. I've seen people, drill like a hole through the pot and then put the tubing through there before. But this is just an easier way to make sure in the hot summertime that I can actually leave and not have to worry about the plants not getting watered. Right, the other thing that I had to do was adjust like how I watered it. Technically we can water every day here. Sometimes I will put like, an every other day watering. Just depends like, what was it? But I did starting times, so right? I actually have 3 starting times for this method that I do for watering in the pots. And the run time, that was station number 5, so going backwards. So I did like water for 10 minutes. So that's kind of like how I had to do it with the things in the pots. Right. Have shade cloth in this area, and this is like where I have multiple plants to water. So I can't do an individual drip to each one. That's insane. So what we do, we actually come off of the 1/2-inch tubing. It's like a little ball valve. I can turn it on and off if I need to. Is run the 1/4-inch tubing off of that and come up here with these little micro sprayers. These things are great to have. Covers a big area. Just put 1 micro spray off of each line coming off of the 1/2-inch tubing. Otherwise you won't get the volume of water that you need. And then just space it out like how you would with a grass area. So I got a 1/4 right here. Come over here, probably like about 5-6 feet. Have a 1/2 spray here. Then I finish up with another 1/4 over that way. There he is. And then I have it similar on the other side. A 1/4 over there, 1/2 spray there,